Hi, I'm Janina, and this is Janinigans. I am so excited to share with you guys my American Girl doll haul that I found just days after restoring my Kirsten doll at an estate sale. I usually check estate sales, and I was scrolling through the pictures that they had up for this one and was shocked to see that they had Kirsten's original outfit in the photo, which is really the main thing that I wanted to get for her, just to complete her restoration, to have her back in her outfit that she came in whenever someone purchased her back in what I think would be the 90s. So I've already put my Kirsten doll in her original outfit because I could not wait. I was so excited, and maybe I also went overboard and bought myself one. I found an archive of some American Girl catalogs online, and I printed her collection out. There's a couple of things that are missing. I don't have her wooden spoon, I don't have the necklace, and I don't have the shoes. Her socks are in here, I just haven't had a chance to put them on her yet. I'm also missing her bloomers, but that's not as noticeable. Even on this dress, you can't really hardly see them because the dress covers it up. The thing I was most excited about when I got home was realizing that her whole outfit is actually original Pleasant Company. So if you look at her handkerchief, this is so cute. It says Pleasant Company on the back. They also had the original Kirsten book collection. And this is also marked the Pleasant Company on here. I tried to find these a while back on eBay and it was just too expensive for me to purchase. So I'm really glad that I have them now. I love the birthday outfit. That one's my favorite, and that one's not in here. And I missed my chance to get the reproduction of it. So this is Kirsten's trunk, and it originally retailed for $155. It's completely wood, and it's holding up pretty well. There's a few areas that need to be fixed. I think it's hand painted from what it looks like with the streaks. And my favorite part about this is the Pleasant Company logo right here. All right, let's open this up. That's right, I got a whole nother Kirsten doll. I wasn't going to purchase her, but when I was looking at the rest of her stuff there, I basically cleaned them out, and they said if I take all of the American Girl stuff, including the doll, they would cut me a deal. So I got everything in this haul for under $150. I'll probably fix her up and give her away because I just don't need her. One of her eyes will need to get replaced, but that's an easy fix. And the dress she's wearing is just a no-name dress, so. Oh my God. You won't believe what I just found. Dangling with her string in the back. That's Kirsten's necklace. I cannot believe that. Ah! Let's restore that to you. There's just something about everything, every element that completes her a little bit more and restores her to her original self. I just think that's the coolest, to just have this history of an American Girl that was already I don't know, I love it. So these are the socks that belong to this outfit, and these shoes belong to a different one, so I'm gonna pop these off. People are really good at dating these dolls with those little details. I can't tell the difference. If you know how to date these dolls and have any clue as to what age she is, let me know. Here's her stamp. It makes me want to fix her up, but this is such a rabbit hole. I said I would only have one doll, and here I am with 3. Here we go with the rest of the box. In Kirsten's Treasures and Collections, they have the box, the bed, and the nightstand. And I'm here to tell you that I have all 3 of those. I can't believe it. Here's the bed. with the mattress. There's some staining on this, so I think I'm gonna try to run that through the wash at some point. Every single item that I found at this estate sale is marked as Pleasant Company. I love the chest because you can just store everything in here. Look at all these goodies. This thing is in such good shape. Here's the nightstand. That opens up. The drawer opens up. She's got her candle holder. I actually need to reference the catalog to know where all this goes to. Let's start with her Christmas outfit. This is part of that. It did have the little doll. We got a little Russian doll situation going on here. So that goes with her Christmas collection. This is the tray right here. So we got to put down the tablecloth. And then she's got 2 yummy buns. And the candle, there's supposed to be a little heart that it sits in. I don't have that. So that's also part of the Christmas outfit. So that's all I have from this Christmas Story outfit. Got a bunch of hangers too that are all vintagey. They didn't have her birthday outfit, but they did have this embroidery. How stinking cute is that? So these are actually removable and they were really hard to find. They were just laying around. It seems like this is part of the quilt kit. I looked up and down for that quilt because I quilt, so I thought it'd be really cool to have hers in mini. So that's the tablecloth. And then this also goes with her birthday. Little flowers. It's this guy right here. The strawberries are meant for the breakfast setting as well. This was in the box and I thought it was a mistake. And then I looked at it closer and it actually does say Pleasant Company. So I think it's meant to go with her embroidery. I do have the night dress. And it's supposed to have a red overcoat. So these go together. So that's her nighttime outfit. This goes over this. So this is also part of her nighttime set. I don't have the candle that's supposed to go in here. But even this is so thought out. It's got this little mechanism here so that when you have your fake candle in, you can have 3 different tiers that you want it burnt down to. And it looks like the slippers that I had her in also go with that. These little wool slippers. I also have the Kirsten School Story dress. That's this one. And all these dresses were marked at like $3. So with the school outfit, she wore this shawl. I don't have the shoes for this outfit either. It looks like these socks are also from her Christmas outfit. Okay, there's a green dress. I think it's this one. Oh, that's what the shoes go to. Okay, so this is her work dress, and it's the one outfit that I actually have the matching shoes to. Now what I don't know is what this guy goes to. I need you to educate me. What is this part of? Do we think it's part of the sleep outfit? I'm not seeing it in the catalog anywhere. Seems like a little like sleepy hat. And she also has 2 bowls. Her treasure and collections includes her heater. Is that what this is? Oh, it's a wash stand, which opens up. It has a little pail inside. And then finally, the last piece, which is really amazing, a little Farley's Fables book. It's an actual book with illustrations and writing. It is just absolutely adorable and precious. So that goes on her nightstand for some nighttime reading. She just needs a candle so she can see. So basically now I'm in it deep. Originally when I got her, I was like, oh, I'm just gonna buy one outfit, one and done. She's gonna sit on my shelf and live in it. But now that I have all this, I actually would love to make a little dollhouse scene for her. If you collect American Girl dolls, I would love to know where you source your vintage accessories and determine to complete her collection. So let me know in the comments below if you have a good tip on where to find that stuff, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye!